Hey, baby. I am making this drink for you. I am going to make you a Southern apple for your Valentine's Day. And this drink recipe comes courtesy of Tom from the Depot in Gardner, Maine. We're all the locals go. Where regulars raw. So, anyway, here we go. So, we are using Southern Comfort. You can use Crown Royal, but we like the SoCo here at Birchwood, so that's what we're pouring tonight. That was a little more than 1.5, but that's the gist of it. It's like 1.5 ounces. Because you're making a double here, so because you don't want to have to go to the bar more often. And then 1.5 ounce of sour green apple schnapps. And then really just to clean enough cranberry to clean out the clean it out there.
Really?
Really.
Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Can I trust you?
No. This is just, and so if you just use regular whiskey, it's a Washington apple, but if you use SoCo, it's a Southern apple. There's ice in there.
Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you, dear. Wait a minute. That's awesome.
Happy Valentine's Day.